You're on YouTube. Go.
I am?
Yes, you're on YouTube.
Okay. It's my magical box.
It's my magical box.
It is magical. If I can't open it, it's magical. Why is that so magical?
No. Say hi, Sean.
What?
Say hi, Sean.
Hi.
You're probably my boobs are hanging out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
The only guy that would actually check to see if I was saying.
Oh. Sean, what are you staring at?
What? I'm not staring at anything.
Okay.
I'm staring at the box.
Yeah, sure. You're a pervert. Pervert.
Right, Sean. Go sit in the corner.
Go to the corner, cry.
No.
John, you look like a lady. Am I a pretty lady?
No, only others.
Yeah, pretty girls. Okay, Sean.
But you shall die.
You should be climbing from the coffee
I'm
room.
gonna be that bitch that tells you you're not pretty.
So what are you?
Hey, D. Oh.
So what are you?
Okay, fine.
So what are you, the pretty lady?
Yes, I'm gorgeous.
Very, very gorgeous. I think I got this straight.
I'm not gorgeous at all.
Yeah, very gorgeous, whatever that means.
Hey, we're going to do.
Yeah, I don't know what you are, so. I'll put this on my YouTube channel. Look pretty.
Pretty lady trying to explode. Epic fail.
That is epic fail.
Don't even go back in.
Okay, you don't push it back in.
You push it out.
Push it back out. Right. No. Your right hand. Yes. Push it back out. No. That way. Now push it down. Victory!
Okay.
Yeah, kitty back. Kitty.
Now it's my turn.
Sean, I've been out of time, so.
So focus on the cat.
Bye.